I have loved him through the ages. But no one has felt the blunt end of his ire more than I. He claims that his actions are in defense of his family, but he lies!
Rebecca, you're not well. The curse has poisoned your mind. Let her speak!
Yes, Nick. I would like to speak. Although when I speak out of turn, I often end up with a dagger in my chest. You see, my brother, he cannot handle the brutal truth that he destroys everything he touches. You murdered our mother and both of your fathers. You dagger your siblings and leave us in coffins for decades. You break our hearts. You forbid us from finding love, all because you can't find any love of your own. I am envious of all of you. You have broken free from him. But I have had no such relief. Chained to him not because of a sire link, but because of a foolish pact that we made to each other when we were nothing more than children. What if he could suffer the way I have? The way that we all have!
Well, I think we've heard enough. Have you come to a decision?